The sound of gunfire was not heard on the border throughout the day, but the gunfire started on the other side after evening. Locals informed BJP when they saw a grenade in Anjumanpara border side of Palankali in Ukia in the morning. The BJP took the grenade away in the afternoon after guarding the whole day. In Nayapara, on the Gumdum border, children saw a mortar shell while playing. Then locals informed the BJP and the BJP came and took it away. Meanwhile, two Myanmar BJP members came to Bangladesh for shelter from Ulbania border on Tuesday. So far, 330 Myanmar border guards have taken shelter in Bangladesh. In the afternoon, 100 members of the Myanmar border guard who took shelter were moved to Nila High School from Gundum High School. On the other hand, it is reported that the body of a young man was found at the Ukia Rahmatbil border at night. News Desk, TTN.